I find the apprenticeship route more practical. If you go to university, you only get the theory side, whereas if you get an apprenticeship, you get paid and you're learning as you're doing theory as well.
When I was first looking into doing stuff at college, I was thinking I'm doing this exact same as what I'd be doing in an apprenticeship, but I wouldn't be getting paid, as well as getting the work experience is what I needed.
Thought apprenticeship would be a better way to learn because you're getting the actual skills. Instead of going to university, you're only getting the knowledge, not much hands-on experience. Whereas if you're in a working environment, you know what to expect when you go into the job.
You're getting best of both worlds, really. You're getting the experience of going to work, as well as you can use the experience to help you with the knowledge at college.
With an apprenticeship, you still get the academic side of it as well as your practical side, and I think it's more important for you to have that practical ability for going into a job.
I think the best bit about the scheme actually is you learn new skills, so you learn a bit of everything.
When you go to university, it's not specific in the job role that you actually want to do. You want to get yourself in a company, understand that company really well, and then by the time you come out your apprenticeship, you can have a job.
I would always recommend the apprenticeship route because it's a lot more practical, makes you work ready.